Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. I am working on a drawing that I have completed, but it needs a little more finishing. How lovely the colors of the metallic pencils are. I love to use these unique pencils for the great effects that I can get. I can get more texture in this area of the picture and also some extra shine. These metallic pencils create warmth in the texture of my drawing and glow, and it is quite effective to enhance my drawing. Notice the card that comes with the set. I filled in both dark and light examples of each color. This gives me a wonderful card to find the right colors easily. So you can see on this card how nicely they shine. This is an amazing assortment of metallic colors. So very many colors to choose from. A great variety, as you can see here, and so very useful for enhancing any of my artwork. And that's my point of view.